Hello students of Prep 1. Today we are going to take a new unit in close-up, which is lessons to learn. Okay, so this lesson or this unit is a very interesting unit. And let's start with the cover page on page 135 of the close-up. Please open page 135. What can we see in this picture? Yes, it's a high school student in a language class, Patacancha, Peru. Okay, so this is a place in Peru, and this is a place called Patacancha. Okay, and here this is a high school student. Okay, and he's in a language class. Okay, so I want you guys to open page number 136, and let's start with the first question. Which school subjects do you enjoy the most? For me, I like English, of course. What about you? I like English because it's my favorite language, and I used to listen to English songs and write their lyrics. So I like English so much. Okay, and what about you? Please tell me about yourself. Okay. Now let's go to exercise B. Are any of the subjects below taught at your school? If not, which one would you like to be taught and why? Do you take dance in your school? Do you take drama in your school? Do you take design, filmmaking, computers? Of course, we take computers. We take we take a lot of time, of course, drama. And sometimes at parties we take dance, okay, filmmaking as a kind of or as a sort of activity. Yes, we take filmmaking, okay, but design I don't think so. All right, now quickly scan the 8 advertisements. Okay, which courses are creative? Okay, so we are going to listen to 8 advertisements together, but before that let's go to the word focus. I want you to study these words very well because I'm going to show you a PowerPoint show now, and you are going to tell me what are these words. Okay, so we have in the word focus performing arts, like acting, dancing, and playing music. We call it performing arts. Journalist is a person who writes for newspapers or magazines. Culture is the ideas and customs of a particular group of people. Okay, so these words are very important. You have to study them very well. And next, there are some other words which are also important. These words, okay, we are going to discuss it later, but let's go first to our PPT or PowerPoint show, and let's see the word number 1, which is performing arts. And as I told you, performing arts is the arts of acting, dancing, and playing music. We call it performing arts. Next, we have a journalist. As you can see, is someone who writes new stories or new events, new accidents, new incidents, okay, for the newspapers and the media in general. And we have, this is a very popular word, which is the website, like www.yahoo.com. This is called a website. Okay, so let's go back to our lesson. All right, so now I need you guys to open your texts, okay, and open the 8 advertisements that we have here, and I want you to highlight with me the new words. Yes, so these are the 8 advertisements, okay, and I want you to tell me which of these are creative, okay, afterwards. So let's listen and highlight together.
Things to do this summer. A. Computers. For young fans of computers, a computer course can teach you all kinds of interesting things. How about building your own website?
Highlight website.
It isn't as difficult as it sounds. After just a few weeks, you will be surprised by how much you have learned. B.
Parla Italiano, a beginner's course in
Highlight beginners. Beginner.
In that time, you can learn the basic phrases and grammar of the language. It's the perfect course for people who want a good start. After that, you can continue to higher levels.
C. Notre Dame? Modern dance is a fantastic way to express yourself. There are many different kinds of modern dance.
Highlight different. Different.
Hot and tired in classes, but you'll learn a lot too. Unlike ballet, which has many rules, you can create your own style. D.
Bracelets, necklaces and more. Necklaces, earrings, rings and bracelets can say a lot about you and your style. If you can't find exactly what you want in the shops, or if it's too expensive, do a course in jewelry making and create your own unique pieces.
Highlight unique.
It's fun and
Unique.
E. Do you have what it takes to survive? If you think the summer holidays are dull, then a survival course could add some excitement to your life. The course teaches young explorers how to build a fire and put up a tent, how to climb a tree, and how not to get lost in a forest.
Highlight the word dull. Dull.
Do you need to work on your grammar or spelling? Are you creative? Perhaps you want to work for a newspaper one day. These are all very good reasons to do a writing course this summer. It can improve your writing skills for school or work.
G. Learn magic.
What could be more fun than boring summer school holidays than a magic course? You can learn lots of incredible tricks that will amaze and impress your friends. You will be able to make objects vanish.
Highlight vanish. The word vanish.
Out of a hat.
And I wanted to highlight also, guys, here in F, work on.
Everyone loves
Work on. Okay, work on.
great food. Do a cooking course and learn how to make delicious meals like the ones you eat in restaurants. You'll also learn how to cook traditional dishes from around the world.
Highlight traditional. So, guys, the words that I need you to know, okay, are from text A, we have the word website. Please highlight website. From B, we have the word beginner. Please highlight beginner. From C, we have different. Please highlight different. From D, we have unique. Please highlight unique. From E, we have, from E here down, we have the word dull. Please highlight dull. From F, we have work on. Please highlight work on. From G, we have vanish. Please highlight the word vanish. And from H, highlight the word traditional. So these words are very important. You have to study them very well. Let's go back to our question, which says here, which courses are creative? So what do you think about A? Yes, excellent. A is a creative one. What about B? No, it's not a creative one at all. Okay, let's go to C. Yes, it can be a creative one. What about D? Yes, D also. E? No, it isn't. F, yes, it can be. G? No, I don't think so. And H? Yes. So these are the creative courses that we can feel that they are creative. Okay, now let's go to the exam task. Okay, you have to study these words very well. They are very important. Okay, and let's go to the exam task together. Okay, the teenagers below are all looking for a summer course to do. Read about the 8 summer courses for young people. Decide which course would be the most suitable for the teenagers. For questions 1 to 5, mark the correct letters A to H. Now, you're going to tell me which of these courses are suitable for these people. Okay, Toby is keen on the performing arts, and he is in the drama club at school. He enjoys being creative and he would like to do a course that will keep him fit. So what do you think? Which is the best course for him? Excellent, it's C. Very good, which is love to dance. Excellent. Mia is a sports fan, but she enjoys watching sports more than she likes playing it. Her dream is to be a sports journalist and write about competitions, matches, and athletes. So, what is the best course for her you can offer? Excellent. Very, very, very good. It's uh, the writing courses near you. Very good, which is F. F, yes. Next, Samuel is interested in different cultures. He loves traveling to different countries with his family and enjoying the food and the music there. He wants to remember those experiences again at home. So what is the best course for him? What do you think? Excellent, amazing, very good. You're all awesome. It's cook good food. Excellent, which is H. Next, Emma can't afford to spend a lot of money, but she is very good with her hands and makes some of her own clothes. She is very interested in fashion and likes to look trendy. So what do you think is the best course for her? Excellent, amazing. Bracelets, necklaces, and more. So it will be D. Very good. Okay, question number 5, the last one. Hans is very interested in cinema and likes classic, black and white European films. One day he would like to watch his favorite films in their original language and understand them. So what is the best course for him? Amazing, very, very good. Parla Italiano. Excellent. So it is B. Thank you. So let's check our answers. Very good. We are all excellent. Now let's go to the next question and the final one that we have today. Okay, these words are very, very, very important. Do you remember the words that we highlighted in the text? I need you now to get out these words here and write these words in the space here. What is a group of pages on the internet? We call it what from the words that we have just highlighted in the text? We call it what? Excellent. It's a website. So a website is a group of pages on the internet. Okay, number 2. Someone who's doing something for the first time is a what? In paragraph B, which I have just highlighted. Excellent, amazing. It's the beginner. Thank you. So a beginner is someone who is just starting something. What, number 3, what means not the same as something else? He's not like the others, or something is not like the others. Something distinguished. Something? Amazing, excellent, different. Okay, if something is what, it is special and different. Again, something which not like the others, something which is distinguished, we can say that it is unique. Excellent. So unique is not like the others. Okay? Number 5, something that is what is very boring. You'll find it in exercise E, or in paragraph E, I mean. Dull. Very good. When I say this movie is dull, it's not interesting at all. Okay, 6, when you watch something, you try to improve it. When you watch, excellent. When you want to improve yourself, you work on yourself. Okay, so work on means to improve and develop yourself. Number 7, what is another way of saying disappear? Like the magicians, they used to what the rabbits in their hats. Excellent, vanish. Thank you. You're amazing today. Thank you, guys. And the last question is 8. What is, if something is what, it has continued for a long time without changing? Traditional, something which is unchangeable, something which is, we all get used to it, okay? It's continuing for a long time and won't change. So this is a traditional thing, okay? So again, I repeat, these words are very important. Website, beginner, different, unique, dull, work on, vanish, traditional, and we have the words of the word focus, performing arts, journalist, and culture. So these are the words that I want you to study. They are very important. And I need you to choose like 5 of them and put them in sentences. So this is your homework for today. You are going to choose 5 words from these words and put them in examples from your own words. Okay? And I need you to think at home about this. Are you interested in any of the activities mentioned in the texts? Do you like to join any of these courses? And if so, which one do you like to join? Okay, another question. Would you like to do a summer course? Do you like going for summer courses? Tell me your reason, okay? What kind of courses are the best for people of your age? You are from 12 to 15. So what do you think for the teenagers are the best courses for them? So I want you to think. If you can write for me a paragraph, please, okay, about the answers of these questions, you will be a great student, okay? So this is our lesson for today. I hope you have understood the lesson. Thank you and have a nice day.